Thank you for selecting Dundas Jafine's ProVent intake hoods. The expected installation time should be approximately 20 minutes, and the tools required are a screwdriver, 4 screws. We suggest using the right type of screw and length for the wall you're fastening the cap to, exterior silicone or latex caulking, and a caulking gun. If required, cut a hole in the wall or use the existing hole that's present. Ensure the hole is a 1/4 inch larger in diameter than the diameter of the pipe you will be inserting. From the outside, pass the pipe through the hole opening until the vent cap lies flush against the outside wall surface. Secure the cap to the wall by screwing it in place and caulking around the reveal. Now, connect your duct to the tailpiece of the hood you just installed. We suggest using a worm drive clamp to ensure the 2 connections are secure. For more information about this product or other Dundas Jafine products, please visit our website at dundasjafine.com.